Hello friends, myself Dr. Sharad Pasle, and we have started to learn the third semester from MSc second year and started the section second of 353, which is biogenesis. In that biogenesis, we have already started to learn about the terpenoids. Hope you remember in last lecture, in last few lectures, we have learned about the what is terpene, what is terpenoids, and then homoterpenes having the 5 number of carbon atoms. Then what about the isoprene units, and after hemiterpenes we have moved towards the monoterpene. In that monoterpene we have started. Monoterpene means how many carbon? 10 number of carbon atom. Okay. In that monoterpene we have already learned how to prepare the citral, then geraniol, then alpha terpineol, limonene, alpha pinene. Hope you remember that. Otherwise I have in the sheet of the last lecture, so we can discuss little bit or we will revise it. So hope you remember this one, the intermediate which we have prepared from the IPP and GMPP, okay, or GPP. From that GPP we have prepared this alpha terpineol cation. Okay, so this alpha terpineol cation, from that using this terpineol cation we have prepared these two terpenoids. Okay, one is alpha terpineol, another is limonene. Okay, and very simple methods, only the hydration is there and the removal of hydrogen atom is there. Based on that we can prepare these two terpenoids. Also we have prepared with another removed the another hydrogen atom, and we have prepared this carene type of molecule. Okay, so this carene is also very important molecule of terpenoids. Apart from alpha terpineol cation, from also we have prepared the pineal cation. Okay, so how we have prepared? So we know this alpha terpineol cation, and after shifting this bond directly to here, there will be formation of such kind of bond from here to here directly. Okay, so this compound we can write down on this format is called as pineal cation. Okay, in this pineal cation, using this pineal cation, again we have prepared these two compounds, which is one is alpha pinene, another is beta pinene. What is the difference between 1 and 2? So 1 means when this hydrogen will remove and prepare the double bond, then there will be a formation of alpha pinene. Instead of this hydrogen, suppose this hydrogen will remove and the formation of double bond between these two carbon atoms, then there will be formation of beta pinene type of compounds. Okay, so today we will start to prepare the another compound, which is phenzone. Okay, and using this pineal cation. So better I will write down first the cation, which is intermediate cation, which is pineal cation. Okay, so pineal cation you can also write down. If simultaneously is not possible, you can better pause this video and then write down simultaneously. Okay, so this is all about the pineal cation. Okay, so in this pineal cation, how many carbon atoms are there? So we are learning this monoterpene, means only 10 carbon atoms are there. Carbon, how many numbers? 10 are there. Okay, so in this pineal cation there will be a rearrangement, that this bond will shift towards here. Okay, that is 1,2 alkyl shift. What we can say, 1,2 alkyl shift is there. Okay, and how, what it will prepare is, you can correct me if I am wrong. Yes, so this bond which is in ring, so it will drop down from here like this. So this one, so this support 2, 3 and 4. So 2, 3, 4 is like this, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and this bond now it will directly attach to here. Okay, so how I have to write down, from 4, then here and here, understand, and then the double the positive charge will come towards this 2 position, right. So like this, so this will be the intermediate after this 1,2 alkyl shift. Actually this 1,2 alkyl shift is called as the Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Wagner-Merwin, or better I will write down the spelling for that. Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Okay, this is the name, or in short WM also, WM shift also we can write down. Okay, so this is an intermediate called as phenyl cation. Phenyl cation. Okay, then using this phenyl cation, I will write down in better way like this one. Okay, we will hydrolyze it, then there will be formation of alcohol, right. This is as such, then alcohol will be formed, is called as phenol. Okay, I don't know exactly the pronunciation, how to pronounce it, but I used to pronounce it phenol for this. Okay, then if we have done the oxidation of this phenol, then this obviously this alcohol compound get converted into the ketone. Okay, and that is our target molecule. This is the basic structure, and there will be formation of ketone. So name of this compound is phenone. Okay, so this is the one of the important terpenoid. Okay, then this is all about from the pinyl cation. Again we will move towards the alpha terpenyl cation. So I will write down first alpha terpenyl cation. Hope you remember, we have drawn it many times. Okay, positive charge will be this carbon, so is called as alpha terpenyl cation, because using this alpha terpenyl cation we have prepared so many compounds. Okay, like alpha terpenyl, limonene, carine. Then this pinyl cation also we have prepared from this alpha terpenyl cation itself, and this from pinyl cation we have again prepared alpha pinene, beta pinene, this phenone, so many compounds. Okay, so don't forget this a very important intermediate, which is alpha terpinyl cation. Okay, so we will carry out some reaction here. So there is a shifting of this bond towards here. So how I have to write down? Let's see. Okay. So this bond directly from here to there. So this one like this. Okay, and the plus cation will shift it here, right? So same this molecule can we write down like this? Instead of writing this long bond, we can write down like this. Then there are two substituents like this, and this will like this. Okay, so it looks better than this. Okay, is called as Bournil cation. What we can say it? Bournil cation. Then there will be a phosphorylation. This is very easy. So in phosphorylation, rather than here better, okay, I will write down this side. Okay, so how I have to write down? This is like this. Okay, and then there will be formation of OPP. This is Bournil PP. Bournil PP. Okay, from this Bournil PP, if phosphohydrolase is if we have used it, means this PP will go out. What is the term is phosphohydrolase. These are actually enzymes. Okay, if ASE is there, this term comes from the different enzymes. So this type of enzyme, if we have used it on that compound, then there will be a formation of like this. Instead of OPP, there will be OH, is called as Bourniol. This nomenclature is very easy. See, here is Bournil cation, then this is Bournil PP, here Bourniol, right? And now after oxidation of this Bourniol, now you can tell me the name of product or which functional group will be there, you can understand very easy. So what will be there? Ketone, instead of alcohol, ketone. So maybe I can say this is Borneol like that. But dear, this compound, the common name is very famous, camphor. Okay, so you have to always remember there is the relation of this Bourniol or Bournil and camphor. Okay, both are not different, because it seems that camphor is completely different than Bournil, but structure wise and everything both are related to each other. Okay, so camphor. So we have prepared the another important terpenoid, which is camphor. Next terpenoid which we can prepare today is again from the alpha terpineol cation. Okay, so I will try it. Yes, so alpha terpineol, yes, double bond is here. I think you are now the perfect one. Here now there will be a shifting of this hydrogen to here, again 1 2 hydrogen shift, 1 2, or not hydrogen, we can say hydride shift, or another way WM म्हणजे काय, WM means Wagner-Merwin shift or rearrangement. Okay, then what will happen? So there will be a formation of, if double bond is there, means this double bond will intact as such, then here now positive charge will shift from here to here, only that difference will be there. Okay, so which is terpinyl cation, that is alpha terpinyl cation. This is or I have to write down, this is alpha terpinyl cation. So what is the name for this one is, rather than alpha terpinin 4, 1 2 3, okay, terpinin 4 terpinyl cation. म्हणजे पोझिशन सांगायचे आहे. अल्फा टर्पिनल कॅटायनमध्ये ठीक आहे, इथं आहे, पण इथं पोझिशन सांगायचे आहे 4 नंबर कुठे आपला येतो, ठीक आहे, अल्फा टर्पिनिल कॅटायन. नाउ यूजिंग दिस अल्फा टर्पिनिल कॅटायन we can prepare different type of molecules. Okay, so I will write down it again. So there will be shifting up like this. Okay, then we can prepare 3 different compounds. Okay, I will try to write down. One is, what will happen, there will be a double bond between these two carbon, so one hydrogen will remove. Okay, this hydrogen, this is one compound. Another possibility from this side, right? So again there will be a removal of hydrogen from another place. This is here, so this is another compound, and the next compound, instead of H we can hydrolyze it. So there will be a formation of, OH here. Okay, so we will give the name, this is alpha terpinin, this is gamma terpinin, and this is terpineol or terpinin 4-ol, 4 position la alcohol, right? So again we have prepared these 3 very important terpenoids. So totally how many compounds we have prepared till today? From this monoterpene we have prepared, see, these 3 compounds. Okay, 1 2 and this is 3. Okay, what about the next one? So better we will make list, right? So hope you remember this compound, which is citral. How we can write down? Citral is open compound, is the only terpenoid which we have learned having the structure is open. Open means not cyclic, right? So double bond and here aldehyde, so like this, understand. So like this, or here directly you can write down CHO. Okay, so this is citral, or another way you can say this is Z citral. Why Z? Because that double bond is in cis form or cisoid form, cisoid type of structure. Okay, so this is citral, one compound. Another compound which we have learned is alpha terpineol. So just now we have drawn the alpha terpineol cation. So hope you can immediately you can write down, instead of this cation here, what you have to write down? OH. So this is alpha terpineol, right? Then we have learned about limonene. Limonene, again this is the brother of this alpha terpineol, right? So instead of this OH, we have to draw here another double bond, which is limonene. Okay, in last lecture which we have learned is the another compound which is carine, or be specific with car3ene, right? So this compound is like this, this compound is like this. Okay, this one, then double bond here, and instead of downside here bicyclic compound. Okay, so this is carine. Then another compound which is alpha pinene. Alpha pinene. So how we can write down this alpha pinene? Draw the basic structure first. The pinene structure is like this. Based on pineal cation you can imagine it. So if double bond is here, this is alpha pinene. And what about the beta now? Beta pinene. How you will write down beta pinene? So basic structure is the same, yes, and instead of this double bond now we have to draw it here. So this is beta pinene. Then today which we have learned is phenchone, right? So double bond O is there, right? So how we have drawn this? Hope you remember. This is the basic structure of phenyl cation, and instead of OH or double bond here we have to add double bond O, which is phenchone. And the last and very important compound which we have learned is camphor. So structure of that one, yes, very interesting. Okay, so the 1 2 3, then this is 4, then 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I think geraniol also we have learned. Geraniol 11 12. Geraniol. Again that maybe why from I think that geraniol also geraniol only we have prepared the citral molecule initially, right? So this geraniol is also important for us. Again the open structure of that geraniol is like this. Instead of this we can draw it here, double bond is here and another double bond here. Okay, so this is the structure of geraniol. So guys, we have learned almost 12 very important terpenoids compounds. Okay, and again all are the part of terpenoid, which is monoterpenes, and the chemistry of terpenoid formation is essential based on the reactivity of carbocations, right? Even though in nature these cations may not exist as discrete species, but rather as tightly bound ion pairs with a counter anion. Okay, and this sentence, the sentence which I am reading is I have told you initially, the book which I am using is the Paul Devick. Okay, it is, there is a book named Medicinal Natural Products. I having the third edition of that book. The author name is Paul Devick. Okay, if I hope in our group someone has shared the soft copy of that book, and this is very useful book to you. Okay, so try to remember, try to practice it, so you can able to draw the mechanism. Next lecture I will start the next type of the terpenoids, which is sesquiterpenes, right? So how many carbon will be there? Then 15 carbon are there. Okay, and then after sesquiterpene, then diterpenes, 20 carbons, and that diterpenes is, as a exam point of view, that diterpenes is important than the sesquiterpenes and others. Okay, in that we have to learn the vitamin A, abiotic acid, and so on. Okay, so see you in the next lecture. So practice it well. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it, so when I will upload the new video, you will have a reminder, so you can see and enjoy it. Okay, so please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye.